Today topic is simple interest. Welcome to our YouTube channel One Job Discovery. The topic going look today is simple interest. What is simple interest? Simple interest is a calculating of interest amount for principal amount. Okay. For example, when your pocket money is over, you may approach your friend and ask him to lend you some money. Once you get next month for once again, you will have to give back. But in the real world, most people borrow money from banks and financial office too. Borrowed money cannot borrow for free. While repaying borrowed money, he will have to pay some interest money which they have borrowed. This is known as simple interest. So see here, what is formula of simple interest? Simple interest equal to P into R into T. P equal to principal. P represent principal. R represent rate of interest and T represent time. Let's understand for an example. Given P equal to 1000, R equal to 10% and T equal to 2 years. What will be simple interest? So see here, simple interest equal to P into R into T by 100. This is formula of simple interest. So P given 1000 into R 10%, 10 by 100 into given T. So 0 cancel, 10 into 10 100 and 100 into 2. So simple interest will be 200. Okay. Amount will be simple interest plus principal. Simple interest is 200 and principal is 1000. So substitute value here. Simple interest is 200 and plus principal is 1000. So total amount will be 1200. Let's another example. Principal given 600 and rate of interest given 5% per annum and T is 4 years. So let's solve here. Principal equal to 600 and rate of interest 5% per annum and time duration is 4 years. Our target to find what is simple interest. Simple interest formula is P into R into T by 100. So substitute or value will be simple interest. Principal 600 and rate of interest 5% per annum and time is 4 years. Percent means by 100. So 0000 cancel, 6 into 5 30, 30 into 4 120. So simple interest will be 120. If they ask what is amount will be P plus simple interest. Simple interest is 120 and principal is 600. So 600 plus simple interest 120. Total will be 720. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe and press the bell icon and share with your friend. Thank you.